Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a free website for your business, your for personal use. How do you create a free? It's very free. You can use it for free. So you need to go to your Chrome browser, and I'm going to tell you the app, and which is called Wix. You can create your website with Wix website very free and easily. So what you need to do is go to your Google and search for Wix website, and also say it, scroll down, and this is it. You can see it here. And the third one, just click on wix.com website builder. Now it is it. Now let's start creating our website for free. Now let's enter our email address we're going to use. I'm going to use this email address. Now click on get started. Okay, our website is creating. Let's wait for it. Now this one, you want to continue with Google, or you want to use your email. You can use either of the two. Either you want to use your Facebook to continue, or you want to use your Google, or you want to use the email you wanted to use. So I'm going to use my Google. So I'm going to click on my Google, and you'll be directed to your Google for you to choose the account you want to use. So I'm going to choose the account I want to use to connect, and after that click on continue, and let's wait for it to sign in. So now it says you sign up. You need to sign up to create your website. So you're gonna go put your okay. Now, so who is this website for? This is it for your business or for your client? Maybe you want to build a website for a client. So I'm going to click on myself, click on next. Now the next thing is they need to know everything about you. What site you are creating, what is it about? Is it about business? What are you selling? Exactly like that. So click on start chat. They want to know everything about you, so you need to answer this question. So they say, what is it? Tell me your site is all about. So I'm going to say it's all about content creator. No way. I'm going to go tell you everything you need to do to know content creator. Or you can say a fashion designer or something. Click on next. Then you wait for the next answer. Then you gonna ask you very easy, what kind of content do you want to create. You can say motivational. Just make sure you put everything they asked you. Click on next. And then another question is, who is the target audience you want to? Who is the target audience? Who are those people you're targeting? Is it a student? Is a business owner? Is a or adult? Is it female? Is it only male? Just have to give them who are your target audience. So I'm going to I'm going to put I'm going to put, let's say, I'm going to just put something there for you to see. Just make sure you put something. Click on next. Now it said, do you have any specific goals you want to achieve with your website, as in such as location your services, attract a client, or sell a digital product? Anyone you wanted to put it there. Wait for the next question, answer the next question. Okay, let me quickly do it for you so that you're able to see what I'm talking about. Selling product. Let's continue. I'm just going to put something there. Click on next. Now my site, you can see our website is being generating. This is it. These are it's going to be motivational content for freelancer. The site type digital online. You can see it is very easy through AI. Just end your chat and continue. You can edit all these things later once your website is done. So let's say you are done. Now go to your website on desktop for the full experience, or continue to explore the app. You're going to see it how it looks like now. You have created your own. So this way we should go or download the apps. We have the apps for you to download, or you can go to your system to continue using it. So it's very simple, very simple. You've created it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment. Thank you guys.